Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying account permissions and gathering required credentials so the process moves without interruption. Once done, open the admin console and locate the SSO or Identity Provider section. This is where you register the Pink Dragon client. Make sure to record the client ID, client secret, and redirect URI immediately. Losing them forces reset. Also enable multi-factor authentication now, because Pink Dragon SSO requires it to issue tokens securely and reduce setup. Next, configure the Pink Dragon application details and integrate it with your identity provider. This is the complex middle step where exact values matter. You map claim names explicitly, so user identity flows correctly. Mismatched attributes break sign-in. Then set scopes and token lifetimes based on security needs. Shorter lifetimes reduce risk but require refresh logic. Once configured, run a test sign-in from a non-admin account to validate attribute mapping and consent behavior. Adjust mappings and retry until stable. To finish, perform full end-to-end tests. Sign in, exercise token refresh, and verify logout clear sessions. Once successful, roll out to a small user group and monitor authentication logs for failures and unexpected claim values. This prevents large-scale outages. If something goes wrong, the most common fixes are correcting clock skew between servers, reissuing a rotated client secret, or updating a mistyped redirect URI. Check logs for specific error codes and iterate until the flow is reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.